case of whooping cough was detected at Bert Bowes Middle School, prompting a letter from Northern Health to go out to students and families on Wednesday. Aaron Collins with Northern Health says the letters are standard protocol when a case of whooping cough is identified, mainly when it's a group of gathering like a school. Similar letters went to families of students at Dr. Kearney Middle School and North Peace Secondary School early in December. Collins says whooping cough circulates each year, typically at low levels, adding that some cases are possibly not diagnosed because the symptoms can be similar to other respiratory illnesses. In the letter to students and families of Bert Bowes, Northern Health said whooping cough is a very contagious disease of the lungs and throat, and once exposed, it can take 7 to 10 days for symptoms to develop.